Techbuyer specialises in refurbishing, buying and selling data centre equipment. We ship to 85 countries all over the world. We've got offices in Germany, Australia and New Zealand as well. So before we engaged with Audacia, we had a legacy database system, so there was no ability to upgrade, to move ahead with it. So our guys that are working all over the world were having real problems accessing an on-site system. So we really needed push to a cloud-based solution that was always available. We had a shortlist of about 40 companies. The key challenge was that they needed to be technically competent and not just okay, but like really specialists in what they do, like know what they were building inside and out. And Audacia got down to the final two at that point, and then I actually got a personal recommendation from another company that used them and said that you shouldn't use anybody else. It was great working with Audacia. The key thing for me is always communication. Any questions, they're available, the communication's excellent, their PMs are really, really competent. Sort of explain in layman's terms, I guess, is the simplest way. Very difficult technical challenges, and it means that they understand, for our guys that aren't technically minded, what they're going to get, how it's going to work. Their developers are very human-centric. You know, they're really good to communicate with on individual parts and components of the system. The system's great because it's kept everything we loved about the old system, but allowed us to do so much more. I think reliability is really key for us because this is our primary sales tool. If we had downtime, we could lose hundreds of thousands of pounds, whereas we haven't had that with the new system we've got. So in regards to maintenance, maintaining that old system required 2 in-house developers plus hours and hours of my time every single day just to kind of keep it on its last legs. It's reduced the amount of time that me and my team need to support it. That's really been a key time saving for us, from 30 hours a week to nearer sort of 5. It's always available, and it's available all over the world. Our international expansion has been a big part of what we do at Techbuyer, and this new system's allowed us to do that. It's provided touch points for tons of integrations to allow us to deal with a lot more customers. They've facilitated that perfectly, and also allow us to push forward as a scalable business that would, quadruple or even go past that in regards to turnover. So something that can support that sort of aggressive expansion is really important.